everyone! In case you missed it, Wildix Video Conference is already available on iOS using Safari web browser. I'm a user of the system and I received an invitation via chat. I tapped Join. And now I should make sure I open this link in Safari. Now, before joining the conference, as usual, I can check my settings. I can select the webcam, and obviously I'd like to use my front camera. I can also choose whether or not I would like to see other participants, depending on the available bandwidth. Tap Join once again. Now I can enable my webcam to show my video, and I can also see other participants. I can even see the screen sharing from my iPhone. It's worth mentioning that you cannot create video conferences from your iPhone. You can only participate in them in case you were invited. And here is another situation. I'm an external user. I received an invitation via email. And of course, I should make sure I open this link in Safari and not in Chrome browser, for example. I have to enter my name and then tap Join. And now I can participate in a video conference. That's it. Thanks for watching.